Hello friends, today in this video I will show how to freeze a row in Excel. So open Excel. So guys, to freeze a row, click on view. Now select a row which you want to freeze. Then here is the option freeze pans. First one, freeze pans keep rows and columns visible while the rest of the worksheet scrolls based on current selection. So as we can see, this both area are freeze and both side are freeze. There are some another options freeze top row. So now in this setting only this first row will be freeze. Once you scroll and in the last one freeze the first column. Keep the first column visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet. You can see this preview. So as we can see, this A column is the first column and it's now freeze. So this way guys, you can freeze a row in Excel. Thanks for watching.